Take a ride in the 2021 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.